What's up, guys? It's Pedro from Breaktime Activities. We're out here at the Rio Vista doing the 5 lure fishing challenge. Basically use the jerk bait, the swim bait, and the lipless crankbait and the jig. Also going to throw in the mixer. If you keep watching, I'm going to have a little surprise to see if we can catch something. See if we can catch something on that lure. Anyways, it's really windy out here. Sorry about that. So I'm going to try to do the best I can for the video. And let's get it. Let's catch them. Strapping up the chest mount. Also got this going on. You know, you got to get the cover on. It's really windy. It's gonna be cold, man. And these are the 4 lures that I'm gonna be using. 5 lures. So we got the jerk bait, the fluke, the lipless crankbait, and also the jig. But yeah, just trying to get ready here. It's like an air conditioner hitting your face. It sounds good. Not good for camera, but the waves are going. We're kind of at the same spot we went to last time. We drove around a little bit. We couldn't find much where we couldn't fish. My father-in-law is going to be using anchovy. He's also going to try this bobber with a minnow retrieve. So I'm gonna do something. I'm gonna check that out. I want to see if he can catch some stuff. And first thing I'm gonna do is set up the fluke and throw it out there. I'm gonna put it on the chest mount and let's go to work. Alright guys, so let me tell you what happened. I was walking on the bank right there, and there was a stump. As you see down here, there's a lot of wood and everything. And basically I was trying to climb it, and I broke my pole. And I broke the tip of the pole right here. So as you can see, that's broken. And I only brought 1 pole. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna cut it and I'm gonna keep going. We're only 30 minutes in the first day, so I'm not gonna stop. I mean, unless it breaks in half, then I'm gonna use a can or something like that. But yeah, we're only 30 minutes in and we just got here. So yeah, I'm gonna cut it off right here, and I'm gonna keep going, man. This is where it comes in handy, having a multi-tool right here. So let me see if I can get this without, I mean, I only need a little bit, and then I'll grind it off. I really like this pull. It's a good pull for me. So, I mean, I know it's not the best thing to do. I need to get a new pole anyways. Now what I gotta do is I'm actually gonna grind this off. And this multi-tool here is freaking amazing. Leatherman. It actually has a file on it too. So, and what can you do with situations like that? Yeah, I should have brought another pole. But now I gotta go to Dick's Sporting Goods to get another pole. So I don't know, man. When you got money, things are not cheap. These things cannot, they become, unless you're sponsored or something like that, then you got it made. But if you're married and you have kids, then you gotta deal with the wife. So you can get as many toys as you can, as you want to, but at the end of the day, you know, she's gonna be pissed. So get it while you can. Go out there while you can. She says yes, yeah, go out there. All right, let's check this out. Yeah. What's that? Striper? Is that on the bobber? Is that anchovies?
Yeah.
Alright.
Second one in about 5 minutes.
Yeah, see, that'd be good.
Hopefully these are getting a little bit bigger.
Yeah, keep throwing them out there. Yeah.
As soon as tide maybe stops a little bit, we'll be alright.
Yeah, I know, it's windy out here. Alright, so now I'm going to switch on to the lipless crankbait. That fluke, the white fluke, didn't really have much success on that. But hopefully this does. I might go back to it a little later, it's so early. But gotta catch my first one, so whatever works. This is with a broken tip, by the way, too, so see what happens. Somebody just rolled up next to my phone. You know, the biggest thing is that, I mean, I get it. Everybody, you know, it's a pretty sticky spot. But, I don't know, it kind of gets frustrating when people just roll up right next to you. Especially if you're like, on your privacy or anything. It's the same thing as saying, like, if you're out there in the boat, and there's another boat out there, and you got the whole damn ocean or whatever, the whole, you know, location, and that boat comes up right next to you, I don't know, it's just frustrating to me. Well, on shore, it's kind of the same thing. If you got, you know, there's a lot of space you can go to here, and somebody rolls up right next to you, and they want to fish. I mean, it's not too bad, but at least 100 yards. You just need 100 yards of space, elbow room, please. Especially if the wind's going and the current's taking your line. Nobody likes to have snag line. I get some other guy, some stranger. So, this is my thoughts. Comment if you agree. Alright guys, so this crankbait wasn't working. I'm going to go ahead and go with this swim bait. Try this out. I like the color. Chartreuse with some light water. So, haven't caught anything today. See what we can catch. Catch one, not get stumped. Now I'm going to try this jig. Alright guys, so here's the deal. No luck with the fluke. No luck with the lipless crankbait. No luck with the other swim bait. No luck with the jerk bait. No luck with the jig. So I think I'm going to take a break and I'm going to try something else. I'm going to try to fish with anchovies and just relax and enjoy the rest of the day on some bait. And we'll catch some stripers. But no luck with those lures today. It was windy throwing them out there, and let's just relax now. This is a little bit better. Now it's just relax time. And try some bait fishing. Bait fish. Oh, I got a bite.